Hey y'all, I'm back. It's your girl Prospect Monroe, and I'm back with another video. And in this video, I am going to be telling you guys my Amazon favorites list for this past month. I guess January and February. So everyone loves Amazon, and if you have Prime, you're going to basically benefit from having Amazon Prime and having your stuff come pretty early. So Amazon has been my go-to place to find everything. Like literally, if I can't find something in a store, I more than likely will look on Amazon first before I go anywhere. Because like, who wants to go to the store now? It's cold outside, and it's like, yeah, no, unless it's like an emergency. But if it's stuff I can wait for, I'm ordering it on Amazon. I'm gonna look, and sometimes you can't even beat the Amazon price. So like, Amazon is like my go-to place. So I have a list of 5 things. I think all of them were beauty related, are they? Most of them are beauty related, but I have these 5 things that I want to show you guys. And the first thing I'm going to start with is lashes. So these pair of lashes that I have on, they're very thick, they're very dramatic. I love them. I got them from Amazon, and it comes in a pack of 7 pair. I don't remember how much this was, but it was like less than $7. So it was very inexpensive. And when I tell you they do the job, like, these are the dramatic pair of lashes that you're gonna get if you're going somewhere and you want to give yourself a pop. Not necessarily like a heavy makeup look lash, but it's very, if you don't wear lashes and you don't like crazy lashes, don't get these, because these are thick. And when I tell you, it upgrades every look for me. And I've only used 1 pair, and they say you can use each pair for up to 15 times, and I've only used this twice. So yeah, go snatch these lashes. They have some natural ones too. I can link that in bio for my natural girls, because I know sometimes everybody doesn't want to wear real dramatic lashes. But if you're going to a wedding, somewhere, a special occasion, and you want to give yourself that pop, these are it. And I noticed the difference with these immediately. And there are 60 lashes, so they kind of like flutter, and they're darker, but I love them. I wouldn't trade them, and I would recommend this to any and everyone that likes lashes. So for the next thing that I got from my Amazon order is makeup brushes. So I used to do makeup like professionally for a little bit, until I realized I hate customer service and I hate people. So I stopped doing makeup, and I inherited all of these makeup brushes. Like, I have over 15 sets. So I have about maybe 200 makeup brushes. But I was talking to one of my cousins, and she's just getting into the makeup game and learning how to do her own makeup. And you know, every time you use a brush, you literally have to wash it and wait for it to dry. So she was just saying like, oh, I don't have any clean brushes and I have somewhere to go. So I was like, oh, I'll order you a pair on Amazon. So I ordered it for her on Amazon, and we were talking on FaceTime, and she was like, these brushes are legit. So I'm like, are they? Let me go order them. And they were literally $12. And it comes in a set of 20, and it comes in this container. It is, you guys can't see this, but it's by BS Small. And comes in this container, and when you open it, you get, like, open it upside down, you get about 24 lash brushes. See? So yeah, so I have all these brushes, and it's not 24, it's like 5, 6, so it's like 13, 14. So there's about 5 makeup face brushes, and the rest are eyeshadow and lip brushes. Super cute. It came, oh, let me show you guys the brushes. So it's like the black with the rose gold stuff. And I'm glad I ordered this, because it came in a case, and probably didn't need this, but you can never have too many brushes. Like, even me with the 200 brushes, sometimes I get lazy. I don't wash them right away. I wash all my brushes at the same time, so I wait till all of them get dirty for me to wash it. So I have another set. So usually after maybe 14 makeup applications is when I actually have to wash my brushes. Now I got 15 makeup applications. Yeah, so it takes me a while. Like, I probably wash them once a month. But yeah, so if you're looking for a new brush set, definitely check out BS Small on Amazon. I will have it linked down below. This is an amazing purchase because it's $12. You get about 14 brushes. It's good. Get your hands on this. The next thing I got was definitely something that I normally don't get. I never normally don't have, but I just got into the habit of doing this. So I'm the girl who never takes my vitamins. I never take my supplements. And if I do, I forget. I'm like, wait, did I do it? I think I did it. I don't know. So I ended up getting a pill box from my job. My job gave us pill boxes for vitamins and minerals, which is like really weird. They gave us a bunch of stuff. They gave us like, I guess they were on this wellness kick with the insurance, and they gave us like lunch bags. They gave us meal prep dishes, like, and they gave us a pill box. So I got the pill box or whatever, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna use this. So I got the pill box from my job, and I was putting all my pills in it. But if you see this is very flimsy. So sometimes it'll be in my purse. Like I'll do it in like the beginning of the week, line it up from Sunday to Saturday, and I put all of my pills in here. So sometimes it'll be open and I find pills in the bottom of my purse and it'll fly open. So I'm like, there gotta be something better. So I went on Amazon, of course, go-to place, and I found this pill box. So this pill box has a lock on it, and I guess it's Suku's. But so it has a lock right here, so it doesn't fly open. But even if it does fly open, there's a double protection. So this, you open like this, and then they have the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and this has the day and the night pills in it. And as you can see, I didn't take my Sunday pill. As you can see, I did not take my pills today. But yeah. So I'm probably gonna take today's dose tomorrow. But as you can see, these are not gonna fly open because they're like super secure. And it would have to get to the first level of security, which is this. And this is great, like, and it's color coordinated. It's cute. I love this. I had it for about a week now, and it has not opened in my purse, so it's good. I'm not losing vitamins. And I fill it up once a week, and I have it for my whole week. And yeah, I'm trying to see if I took my yesterday pills, and I did not. I did not take Saturday's vitamins. So usually I fill it up on Sundays. So today's the day that I'm gonna fill it up, and for the whole week. But I guess I'm only have to do 5 days because there's 2 days I didn't take it. Let me see if I took my other days. Y'all, I didn't take Friday's dose either, but I did take Thursday. I took Wednesday, I took Tuesday, and I took Monday. I just didn't take Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, which is not bad for me because I always forget, but that's a way for me to track myself, and I love this. It seems like a grandma thing, but I think with all these colors, it's cute. On Sundays, I fill it up, like I said, and I go from there. And when I don't take it, I know that I have to, like, especially at work, because I have this in my purse. So at work, I walk into my job, I get all my water set up, I get everything set up how I like it, turn my computer on, and first thing I do is take these. So it's like usually Monday to Friday, but it's when I'm at home. My schedule is so funny at home. But if you want a pill box that does not open and you need to take vitamins, minerals, or if you actually have to take medication, which I don't, I just use these for my vitamins, you can put this in here. And this was $10. So they also have like a pink case and a clear case, and then they have like a different variations of these, but I picked this black case because I feel like I don't want people to know that it's a pill case. You know what I mean? So you really don't know what this is until if someone tells you. Once you open it up, you kind of get an idea, but I think it's a cool pill case. Like, this is definitely an upgrade from this, definitely. So get your hands on this. This is definitely something on my Amazon favorite list. I love it. All of this stuff will be linked in the bio, just in case you guys are wondering which ones I picked. And you know how Amazon works. If you're watching this, more than likely know how Amazon has it, and if you have Prime, you'll get this. This came in I ordered it on a Wednesday and it came on Thursday, so it was pretty quick. Yeah, so my next item is this. So I got a Wig Block head a while ago, and it came with this like C hand holder where you would put, like, you see this bar thing, you can hook it onto here and just adjust your wig with it. But I lost mine, and I was like, oh my God, where am I gonna get a new one? Because it came with a Wig Block. But I see that Amazon sells these separately, and I'm gonna insert a picture of it because I don't want to open it. And I got this 2-pack. Sorry guys, I got this 2-pack for $5. So I got 2 of them. I lost one, so I would have had 3, but I got 2 of them. And it's just for me to put my block head onto something, like hook it onto something, so I can curl my wigs and style my wigs and dye my wigs. And so I got 2 of these for $5 on Amazon. It's a great price, and I bought it together with my wig, so I don't know how much it would. I don't know how much it would normally cost. So, but it's definitely worth you guys looking into if you do wig. If you do your own wigs, or if you're customizing your wigs, or if you just need to curl your wigs. Like, sometimes I don't want to curl my wigs on my head. Sometimes I curl it on the block, put it back in its bag, and then whenever I'm ready to wear it, I pull it out. But I definitely curl like 5 or 6 wigs all in one shot with this thing. So this is like imperative if you do wig reviews, or if you have a lot of wigs that you style on your own and you don't necessarily take it to a hairdresser. This is a good thing for you to have, because you can hook it onto any tabletop and it will stay on it. It'll be locked on it. You put your wig head on it, and then you can actually do whatever you want to the wig. Color, curl, whatever. So I used to plug the top off, the top of the lace off with it, with that on, because it's steady. I don't necessarily want to do it on my head. So yeah. So my next item is, this is something I saw on Instagram. So this is the thing that everyone puts on their head. I'm gonna show you guys what it is, just so you see it. I've seen it. Oh, it comes with a picture. So this is something that you can see this. So they put it around their head and they twirl their hair on it, and it brings curls. I don't know, there's like a mean glare, but I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. So it comes like this. It comes with 2 scrunchies. This is what you hold the hair with. And then you put this. Have you guys seen this? I don't know if you guys can see. And you hook it here. And what you're supposed to do is, you're supposed to grab your hair and twist it on here. So yeah, you're supposed to twist this. Take more hair, twist, twist, twist. And I'm really doing this just to show you guys, but I'm not really doing it in real life. And then you do this, you add the scrunchie to the end, and then you do the other side, and then you're supposed to wake up and your whole head is supposed to be curled. So it's a way to do heatless curls. Wait, what happens? Okay. It's a way to do heatless curls on your hair, but I already have crimps in this, so I'm not gonna do it. So I'm gonna do another video with, so what they say is you're supposed to have damp hair when you do this, so that the hair can come out a certain way. If you have damp hair and you do this and you leave it overnight, once it dries, you'll have heatless curls. And so I'm gonna do another tutorial later on, just not now, on how to do this, how to use this, and if it really works. First impressions, yeah, definitely. So I got this because I saw it on TikTok and I was like, this looks good. And yeah, so I'm excited to like show you guys it, because if this can curl hair, this will save so much time. Obviously I'll be doing it on my wigs and not my real hair, because I've never seen anyone do it on 4C hair. I don't know that 4C hair would take to a rod this thick. Maybe if it was half of it, I mean, maybe someone will try it. I don't know if I'll be able to try it though. Maybe if I straighten my hair, yeah. So, but then it says that your hair has to be damp, so I'm not sure. I don't know if that it would work on straight 4C hair, because you would have to wet it, and I don't know you can wet your hair without it frizzing up. Beauty and etc. Stuff that I get, and I got these 5 items so far in February. I have more stuff coming in next week. So just stay tuned for that, and let me know if you guys enjoy these type of videos. That way I can do more of them. But thanks for watching, you guys. I'm trying to be more consistent with my videos and show you guys more and be give you guys more videos. I have so many videos for you guys. I know I say that every time, but you know, working a full-time job, going to work every day is so hard for me to post. But guys, those long-awaited wig reviews that I've been talking about for months, I promise I'm going to film them this week, and you guys are going to see them next week. So I have a video about dyeing hair. I have another video about a half wig that I want to show you how I'm going to style. And I have another wig that I had that I colored and bleached, and the color is just a little too much for me. And I'm going to show you guys how do you correct a color, a hair that you've already colored. How do you correct it if it's a little too bright? So those are the videos I have in store for you guys, and I am totally excited. Oh yeah, and I have another video with this hair. This is like, I did a first impressions, but I'm going to do a I don't know, did I do a first impressions of this? Oh wow, I don't know if I did a first impressions of this hair. If I haven't done a first impressions, I'm going to do a first impressions, but my first impression is going to be a little skewed because I've had this hair on for a long time. So it'll be a review, a 2-month review. Has it been 2 months? It'll be a 1-month review. And when I first got this wig, like I was saying in the last video, I didn't care for it, but now I love it. And this wig was sent to me by a company. I'm gonna do a whole video on it, so I'm not even gonna begin to talk about it. But so I have 4 hair videos coming soon, guys, coming soon. I know I've been saying that, but it's coming soon. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later in the next video. Bye.